Welcome back to Trader Studio. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I made $750 trading gold with the durable goods data that we had come out today. So let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, so we're going to jump right into it. So like I mentioned, I took this trade on gold, so I'm going to pull this up really quick. So today, just to start, I'm going to pull up my economic calendar. We had durable good orders for the US dollar come out today at 7:30 my time. So the forecast was 2.2% and it came out at 2.6%. Now, I want to show you guys something very interesting. The last time we had durable goods data come out, so this was the last time we had durable goods data come out, and this is my journal. Excuse me, this is my journal from the last time that we had it come out. So as you can see, it did come out. It was forecasted at 0.7% and it came out higher, which would mean gold sells. Both came in favor for gold sells. We did have CB consumer confidence that same day, but today we did not have that. And I just wanted to show you, last time it came out higher, gold sells. And you can see that it clearly played out right here. So I just want to show you guys that, something super quick. So today we had it at 2.2% and it came out higher, 2.6%. What that's going to do is give dollar strength, which means gold sells. Now, I didn't take gold sells today, and I'll show you why. I actually ended up taking gold buys on my futures account. I'll actually show you right here. My total profit, I'm trading between 3 accounts, as you can see right here. My total profit on this trade was 245.28. So my total profits for the day, I will just do the math real quick. It was like 735, I believe it was. So 245.28, and then you do times 3, 735.84. So that was the profit for today. So let's go through my mindset of what I was doing when I was in the trade. So right here, this was the candle. Excuse me, this was the candle right here, 7:30. You can see the time right here. 7:30 is when this came out. So I had my resistance marked up here, and then I had a support marked here as well. So this candle, as soon as the data dropped, it was going down. So in my head, I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait for price to break right here. I was gonna wait for price to break this area to get into sells. If my line tool isn't working for some reason, I'm so sorry. I was gonna wait for price to break this support right here if it did come down, but it never did. And another reason why I didn't take gold sells is because overall we are fundamentally we're bullish on gold. Gold has just been hitting all-time highs like crazy. If you're watching this video, I'm sure you know. So I was in a very buy bias. I only wanted to take buys. Even if this came down, I was gonna look to take buys right back up if that happened. But this is exactly what happened. So we had my resistance here. This was the candle. It came down, and then I just saw that it closed like this, and then it started coming back up. That to me showed that price isn't respecting this data that we had come out. So I see this resistance right here, as you can see, right? This is on a 5-minute time frame. I see this resistance right here. I was waiting for price to break this resistance, and as you can see, it did. Now, I wish I really ended up taking my position here because that would have been a little bit more, but I ended up getting in right here. You can see my arrow. I ended up getting in right here, and then I actually ended up closing the position right here. So the reason why is just because this data, excuse me, it's not that important. So I wasn't really too confident in it. So I just wanted to get my money and get out, be done for the day. And then I did see this very small resistance right here. So that's what made me really close the trade. And then I was happy with the profits, which you shouldn't trade that way. You should really be looking for another support or resistance. So for me, it hit this little resistance area right here. That was good enough for me to just get out, be done for the day, and just go about my day. So yeah, that was my trade. Now looking back, obviously if I would have held the trade, if I had my stop loss below this structure right here, then I would have never gotten hit. And then you can clearly see I would have made a lot more money. But I don't want to get into FOMO or anything. This was about 23 ticks right here. So when I'm in the trade, you got to think when I'm in this trade, I don't see any of this. I just see this candle going up. And then I actually was very happy with my exit because as soon as I exited, I saw this candle just drop. So That was my trade, $735 for the day. Very, very happy about that. And yeah, that was pretty much it. It came out, the data did come out higher, which gives dollar strength, which means gold sells. But as durable goods, no, right now it's not that important to the Federal Reserve. So that is why I was just looking for the buys. I kept my bias and I was looking for the buys, and that was the trade.